Hey everyone, it's Nick with NJ Valenti Art, and today I want to share the process for a new illustration of mine. I'm excited to share this one with you because you can actually grab your own print right here on YouTube. Just simply click the Store tab, and it'll bring you to the website where you can go ahead and purchase the print for yourself. That's a great way to support the channel, and thank you all so much. Now sit back and enjoy the process. Until next time.